Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper cloth. You will need your hands and a piece of paper. The first step, you have to fold the right top corner to the left side, just like this. To the top point, you're going to connect it to the bottom left point and fold it. Then fold the other side to make an evenly square. Then fold it in half diagonally to make a triangle shape. You're going to fold the triangle in half to make a line in the middle. This is a line. To the side that feels more thickest, you're going to fold it to the line you created. Then you're going to roll it up evenly until you can't anymore. To the little paper that is over, you're going to put it in this small pocket that's behind it. Now you're going to open the little triangle and put your finger in it. And now you have a paper cloth.
Now you'll be able to make 9 more to complete the set.